Hello there, and thank you for stopping by. I've been trying to be diligent in terms of finding the good things that go on with the FX-4CR radio, as made by the maker BG2FX. Now it's my turn to be the bearer of somewhat bad news. In the case of an early adopter, sometimes radios can get weird. If you look at this field out below, you see no waterfall, no blue indication bar, no spectrum screen, and while I didn't hook anything up to it, I can assure you that it neither transmits nor receives. Now, the maker is on the other side of the planet, but I have emailed back and forth with him since this situation has occurred. And I sent him, at his request, a picture of this screen, and lo and behold, he's sending me a circuit board, which is going to be replaced. I will do it on my own, and if it looks like it's not going to be too hideous, I'll do a teardown video and show you how I change it out. So the main reason I'm making this video is to let you know that with new radios, number one, things can happen, but number two, in this case, the maker is very, very responsive, even given the 12-hour time difference. So stay with me as time goes on and the replacement board comes in. We'll show you what the change out is and see the end result. Thank you very much for your time. Be well.